Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing ChromeOS Flex so the game can run. Enable Linux Beta in settings and give it at least 4 GB RAM and 10 GB storage because Roblox needs room. Once done, turn on any USB and GPU support options you see. These improve performance. Open the terminal and update the container packages so dependencies install cleanly. This avoids conflicts later. Make sure Chrome OS is fully updated. Then move to installing the Windows compatibility layer inside Linux. Now install a Windows compatibility layer inside your Linux container so Roblox can run. You can use Wine or Boxed Wine. Boxed Wine often handles Windows installers better on ARM or 64-bit systems. Once the layer is set, install Winatrix and required components like Corefonts, vCruntime, and DirectX libraries. These are why Roblox launches without missing DLL errors. After those finish, download the Roblox installer into the container and run it with Wine, monitoring the terminal for prompts and errors. Finish by launching Roblox from the Wine/Boxed Wine created shortcut and enable GPU acceleration and a sensible resolution for your device. If the game crashes or won't start, inspect the terminal logs for missing DLLs or graphics errors, update Wine or Boxed Wine, and reinstall any indicated libraries with Winatrix. If compatibility remains poor, switch to a Windows VM or a cloud gaming service as a fallback, because those avoid local compatibility layers. This saves time and often gives better performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.